what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Jimbo and today we're checking out a Chemical Guys product right here. This is the Lucent Spray Shine Synthetic Spray Wax. It costs you about 19 bucks at my local O'Reilly's Auto Parts. And in this video, what I want to show or see is this product worth 20 bucks? So all that and more coming up in this video. I'm going to put it on a panel. I'm going to do a water test. I'm actually going to apply it to my own car and use it around a whole car. So we're going to really dive into it, see if it's worth it, or see if there may be better alternatives with your 20 bucks. All that and more coming up in this video. All right, let's take a deeper dive look at the Chemical Guys Spray Wax. This is a synthetic spray wax, so it should be easy to use, but sometimes with synthetic, you don't get the gloss and glow that you do with a like a natural carnauba wax. But it does claim that it has extreme slick finish, and interestingly enough, has dirt and dust rejectors. And this is why I'm going to apply it to my own car and then drive for a week and see if it is. Slick shine in minutes, enhances depth and reflection, premium synthetic gloss, intensifiers. As with all Chemical Guys products, who knows if that's actually true. On the back it talks about their story. But this is a very easy to use play. This is definitely not a durability play. They have plenty of other products for that. So a simple product, but it's 20 bucks for a 16-ounce bottle. So what I wanted to see is it worth it? Is there some areas of the car that this would be worth using? And then of course we'll put it on the panel, put it through a water test on that panel, and then put it through a torture test to see. You never know, maybe we'll find a Chemical Guys product that actually works good and is worth its weight in gold. So maybe this is it. So that's that for a quick look at the bottle and what you're gonna get for the 20 bucks. And then yeah, let's apply it, see how it goes, see how the sniffy sniff test, if you will, and then we'll look at the water behavior and all of that fun stuff. I did want to actually use this product and then kind of talk about it as I'm using it and kind of my thoughts, feelings, and opinions on it before we do the torture test. So the smell is incredibly good, and I'll talk about that while we're applying it on the panel, but applying it onto the surface as well. I'm just seeing this more because I have played with it. I washed my car. I did the other side. It smells incredibly good. So from the user experience, like a lot of the Chemical Guys products, the smell is going to be kind of the most exciting part about the product. And on the surface of the car, it does make the panel pretty smooth, but there is a bunch of stuff on my car, just to be completely frank. So I'm kind of viewing this a little bit more of a detail spray than a spray wax, but if it is offering some slickness, it is looking pretty good even as I layer it upon other things. That there's honestly a whole host of things that are on my car because it's my own personal car. So it is topping off those other things well. It's playing nicely. I'm not overusing it. It is a nice green color, and the color seems to be very concentrated. So if you do have like a light color car, that's going to be kind of cool to see that on the surface. It doesn't seem to be streaky, and it seems to be blending in really nice. Yeah, so from all that perspective, easy to use, goes on smooth, nice. The surface is smooth, but it's not like overly smooth. It's not crazy slick at all, but it's playing well with the other protection that I may have on the car. It doesn't seem to be streaking at all. So let's put it on the panel. I'll pick out some additional features of the product that I think, and then we're gonna let it cure through the weekend, and then we're gonna put it through a torture test. But I did want to actually kind of apply it in person on my car, see how it goes. And if you're just looking at that from this perspective, it does everything that it's guaranteed to do. It does add a little bit of slickness. It's definitely not the slickest product I've ever used. And so we'll see how the water behavior is and stuff too. But it goes on quickly, easily, without streaking. Smells incredible. That's probably the #1 feature I'm thinking of right now. And so I'm interested to put it on the panel, see what it's like. The panel is fully prepped, so no prior protection. And then we'll let it cure, take it out for a torch test. So let's go apply it on the panel. We're gonna be applying it to the surface. Wanna see what it's like. It smells incredibly good. I did my best to try to get the cap off, but they have this crazy cap or this crazy sprayer that's really hard to get off. So I will say while that's dwelling, I did wipe the panel completely clean with this Hyper Clean panel prep spray. Marty's the one behind this. Marty Hill is the one behind that brand. Also with this Chemical Guys product, they said that you can use it as a drying aid as well. Really good scent. It's really going to, that aroma is really going to permeate everywhere in your shop. Goes on super smooth, doesn't feel overly slick on the panel. The reason for the panel, I'm going to do one more spray. It has this crazy green color. The reason for the panel is because I want to do a water behavior test and torture test on it. But initially, it's not, it goes on really smooth. It is slick, don't get me wrong, but it's not like crazy slick. Towel's not like sliding off, not sliding off. And so, but it is slick. It does give some slickness. So we will let that cure. Does not talk about any cure time because this is more of a, a synthetic spray, a detail spray, whatever. It doesn't talk about any specific cure time, but we're gonna let that cure through the weekend. I am recording this on a Friday, so I'll get back to it probably on Monday. So it's gonna have ample time to cure. We'll do a water behavior test and a torture test. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I'm not expecting a whole heck of a lot. This is the reasons why I'm not expecting a lot. It's Chemical Guys, it's a simple spray wax. I'm just not expecting a ton out of it. So it is applied to the right side of the panel right here. Let's rinse it. Our control's on the left, you can see it's flat. Sorry, I just turned this hose on. And it looks like the Chemical Guys side is getting flatter with just water. So as you can see, this is why I'm saying I'm not expecting a whole lot from Chemical Guys. Left side is our control, right side is the Chemical Guys. And it seemed, as I just rinsed it with water, it kind of went away. We don't have the round beads. We don't have any of those attributes that you normally look for in a product. Like I said, kind of looks like the more you rinse it, some water sheeting, some water behavior action, but again, not, which by the way, this is consistent with Chemical Guys products. So again, not to expect a bunch out of a simple spray wax, but you would like to know that, if you're applying a wax, that it's gonna last more than one car wash, which this will not. Let's hit it with a blower, see what it comes off as. Not terrible with the blower. Definitely seen worse, but it's not going to have that hydrophobic properties that you would kind of look for in a spray wax. Let's just for fun, because I said I would in a torture test, let's hit it with some Super Clean right here. This is just straight. And first I'll spray it on and won't rub it in, and then maybe I'll spray it on and rub it in. So also the dust repellency. The things that it has going for it is definitely the ease of use. It was a very, very easy product to use, very easy product to go on. Added negligible amounts of shine. Wouldn't say it was like, oh my gosh, the gloss was off the charts. I will say we've been dealing with some super, super cloudy weather here. But again, wasn't crazy. For 20 bucks, it's not that crazy. And there you go. So, Super Clean took care of it. So it's flat after Super Clean. This product is gonna get you 1 to 2 car washes. So, I think it's important to have realistic expectations 1 to 2 car washes, you're going about 2 weeks tops with this product. You're not going to get the hydrophobic properties out of it. You're not going to get extreme water beating. What you are going to get is a good smelling spray that goes on easy and doesn't really streak. That's what you're going to get. But for 20 bucks, not sure it's worth it. What I want to do is do that in a comparison video to maybe a product that is around the $20 range and show you some differences of what you can expect out of a $20 product. So look for that on my channel, but I did want to give you kind of a first look at this product to see if it was worth the 20 bucks. So let me know in the comments below if you think this product's worth 20 bucks for, again, the scent and the ease of use factor. But in a subsequent video, what I want to do is put this $20 product up against maybe another $20 product, or maybe a product that is even a little bit less expensive or cheaper, would someone say? Cheaper? And then see how that goes. So all that and more coming up in another video, but let me know what you think in the comments below about this. Chemical Guys Lucent Spray Shine coming in at 20 bucks for a 16-ounce bottle. And is that worth one single car wash or not? Catch you on the next one. Look out for that video. See ya.